folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Well, this week I have another cream cheese dessert treat. I call it my cream cheese custard cake. It's actually pretty good. I was playing around in my kitchen and that's what turned out. So, let's see how I made it. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's start with the parchment paper. We're going to trace an 8-inch circle on the parchment paper using an 8-inch spring cake pan. Cut the circle out of the parchment paper. Line the cake tray and set that aside. Time for the eggs. Beautiful. We're going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Like that trick? Pretty cool, huh? Set that aside. Time to mix up the custard. 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Mix that up a little bit. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Pour it in there. Mix that up a little bit. Add the egg yolks. Mix that up. We're going to pour the cake mixture into a separate dish so that we can reuse the mixing bowl. Set it aside. Clean mixing bowl. Add the egg whites. Blend them with a blender until we have nice stiff white peaks, about 5 or 6 minutes. There you go. Pour the egg whites into a separate dish. Pour the custard mix back into the mixing bowl. Fold in the egg whites a little bit at a time until it's completely mixed. Now pour the mixture into the cake pan. Set that aside. We're going to put a cookie sheet into the oven so that we can add some water and have a moist cooking environment. We're going to cook the cake for about 45 minutes at 325, and we're going to let it cool for an additional 40 minutes in the oven. There's the finished product, folks. Take off the spring. Take off the parchment paper. Look at that. Beautiful. Custard on the bottom, cake on the top. Oh yeah. And there you have it, folks. Custard on the bottom, I don't know if you can see that, and the cake is on the top. Tastes pretty good. Seems like we did this before. You know the drill. When the going gets tough, yeah, I know, it's tough to find something to eat. And when you have extra cream cheese, yeah, I guess you make a cream cheese recipe. Don't you have anything else in that freezer? Well, I do still have Hungry Man left over in my refrigerator. I quit. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thanks for sharing and being part of my life. You know the drill. When the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and definitely go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. We'll see you next week.